How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set the best setting for gaming on your Xiaomi television. Now, of course, not all models have the following settings that I'm going to talk about. So if some of these settings are applicable on your model, you could just go ahead and follow along. But there's a lot of models out there, so I'm going to tackle one of the basic ones and the one of the crucial ones. Of course, to head over to the settings of your television, you want to navigate through your remote, and then you could just head over to the settings right here. Most likely there's going to be a gear icon on the remote itself that will take you straight to the settings. Right after, let's apply the following. So basically, for picture mode, you want to set it to game. The game mode or the low latency mode is going to be on. HDMI 2.1 is going to be on if available. The FreeSync is going to be on for supported models. And for the highest refresh rate, this is basically FPS. You could just set it to the highest possible setting. And now for picture mode, which is going to be the basic ones. For brightness, you want to set it to 60 or 80 during daytime and 35 to 50 during nighttime. But of course, this can depend on your room lighting. For contrast, it's going to be 50. And for sharpness, we don't need much, especially for gaming. So choosing between 0 or 10 works best. For color, set it to 10 or 50, and the color temperature is going to be warm. Now, in certain models, there's going to be the shadow detail or the black level. You can make sure to set it to +1 or +3. Basically, this just helps us see enemies better in dark areas, and you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.